How can I fix Uber Cash not working for Uber Eats?
Hello viewers, today we're going to address a common issue many of you have been facing: Uber Cash not working for Uber Eats. This issue can be frustrating, especially when you're hungry and trying to order your favorite meal. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know how to troubleshoot and fix it.
What is Uber Cash?
Before diving into the solution, let's first understand what Uber Cash is. Uber Cash is a payment method offered by Uber, where users can prepay for their rides and Uber Eats orders. It's a great way to manage your spending on Uber services, but sometimes, it may not work as expected on Uber Eats.
Why is Uber Cash not working for Uber Eats?
There are several reasons why Uber Cash might not be working for your Uber Eats orders. Here are a few. 1. Your Uber Cash balance is too low for the total cost of your order, including taxes and delivery fees. 2. Uber Cash is not selected as your primary payment method. 3. Technical issues either from the user end or Uber's end. Let's go over how to troubleshoot these possibilities.
How to troubleshoot Uber Cash not working?
Step 1. Check your Uber Cash balance. Make sure it covers the total cost of your order, including any additional fees. Step 2. Set Uber Cash as your primary payment method. Here's how to do it. Open the Uber app and tap the menu icon. Tap Wallet and then Uber Cash. If it's not already enabled, turn on the Auto Reload feature. Step 3. Clear the app's cache. Sometimes, stored data may cause conflicts in the app. Go to your device settings, find the Uber app, and clear the cache. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it might be due to a problem at Uber's end.
How to report the issue to Uber?
If you're still unable to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats after trying the steps mentioned above, you should report the issue to Uber. To do this, go to Help in the Uber app menu. Choose the I can't order with Uber Cash option. Describe the issue in detail and then submit. Uber usually responds promptly to resolve any issues you might be experiencing. That's all there is to troubleshooting and fixing the Uber Cash not working issue for Uber Eats. Remember to check your balance, ensure Uber Cash is your primary payment method, and don't hesitate to reach out to Uber's customer service if needed. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy ordering!